Do you have a map? Because I just keep getting lost in your eyes.
Do you work for NASA? Because you're out of this world.
Ikaw ba si Auntie? Ang tinitibok ng puso ko.
May salbabida ka ba?
Kasi, baka malunod ka sa pagmamahal ko. Do you have a library card? Because I'm checking you out. Pokemon ka ba? Kasi, I choose you.
Hi, ako nga pala si Justin. Nandito para sa'yo, just in case iwanan ka niya.
Are you an alien? Because you just abducted my heart.
I forgot your name.
Can I call you mine? I love reading the menu because it has me and you.
Gutom ka ba? Kasi bubusugan kita sa pagmamahal ko.
Ano height mo? Ha? Eh, paano ka nagkasya sa puso ko?
You must be Jamaican.
Cause you're Jamaican, me crazy.
Hindi tayo tao, hindi tayo hayop. Bagay tayo.
What?
Are you accepting applications for your fan club?
Baby, did you fart? Cause you just blow me away.
I want to be the letter T. Because I always want to be next to you.
If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together.
Ist in der Nähe ein Flughafen? Oder warum hebt mein Herz ab?
Let's be scientists pa may chemistry tayo.
Are you a PlayStation game? I hope you're not Tekken.
I may not be a genie, but I can make your dreams come true.
Hey, I lost my phone number. Can I have yours?
Hello, I'm a thief and I'm here to steal your heart.
Pinaglihi ka ba sa keyboard? Kasi type kita.
Hey, can I get your picture? Because I just want to tell my friends that angels really do exist.
Pwedeng makihingi ng papel?
Papel sa buhay mo. Hindi ka ba nalulungkot? Kasi nag-iisa ka sa puso ko eh.
Is your name Summer?
Cause you're so hot!
Look, wait. Look, I'm not drunk, okay? I think I'm just intoxicated by you.
Tapos na ba exam mo?
Para ako naman sagutin mo.
You know who you look like? My next girlfriend.
Pulis ka ba? Kasi ka ang most wanted ng puso ko.
Pa-picture tayo. Para ma-develop tayo.
Kung ako yung basketball player at ikaw yung bola, masushoot ba kita? Hindi. Kasi lagi kitang nami-miss. Tingin ko magaling ka sa geometry.
Kasi kahit siyang angle, maganda ka.
Look, there's something wrong with my phone. It doesn't have your number.
Pedicab ka ba? Pwede ka bang maging akin?
2 beses lang naman kita gusto makasama eh. Now and forever. I'm lost. Can I have directions to your heart?